Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store. First, you will want to choose a memorable name and secure your domain, which is your online address. Next, select a Shopify plan that fits your budget and business size. There are typically 3 core plans available. Then, personalize your store's appearance by choosing and customizing a theme to match your brand. Finally, create crucial pages such as an About Us and Contact page to build trust and provide information to your future customers. This foundational work sets the stage for your online success. Once your store's foundation is ready, it is time to populate it with your amazing products. Begin by uploading clear, high-resolution images and writing compelling descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Organize your items into logical collections, making it simple for customers to browse. Implement inventory tracking to keep an accurate count of your stock, preventing overselling. Lastly, carefully set your pricing, shipping rates, and tax rules for each product, ensuring transparency and compliance. This step is crucial for a smooth shopping experience. With your products in place, the next step is to tell the world about your store. Start by optimizing your site for search engines, using relevant keywords to help customers find you. Build an email list and send out newsletters or promotional offers to keep your audience engaged. Integrate your Shopify store with popular social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to expand your reach. Consider running special promotions or offering a 20% discount on first purchases to attract new buyers and boost initial sales. Effective marketing is key to growth. Before officially launching, conduct thorough testing of your entire store, from product pages to checkout, ensuring everything works perfectly. Set up secure payment gateways, allowing customers to pay using various methods like credit cards or PayPal. Once live, continuously monitor your sales data and gather customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Explore the Shopify App Store for tools that can enhance your store's features, such as advanced analytics or customer support solutions. Remember, launching is just the beginning. Continuous optimization is vital for long-term success and growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.